Yeah, we all are heading towards somewhere, but we must be coming from somewhere. I just want us to talk about the root. We have all got our roots, where we come from, who we are as a people, because who we are depends on where we come from, where we are, and where we are going to. And when I say roots, I mean your root, where you come from, because it's as well as important as where you are going to. Because you must be coming from somewhere. Because if you don't know where you're coming from, you will not know where you're going to, because your journey started from a place and is going to end in a place. And many people have lost focus of this, because your identity is entirely who you are. The totality of who you are. That is your identity. The totality of who you are. Your root. Your root. Your root and your destination. We understand that where you are is known to you. It's understandable because you know it is familiar. It's the place you are now. But where are you coming from? And where are you going to? And this is what many has overlooked, because you cannot really define your destination, because we are all here for a purpose. And your purpose is your destination. But first of all, because your destination is connected to where you are coming from, is connected to your root. You must be coming from somewhere. It is when you know where you are coming from, then you know where you are going to, where you are going to. There is a purpose, there is a reason why you are going to where you are going to. You are not created by accident. Nobody is here to add number. We are all here for a divine purpose. There is a reason why you are here. And that same reason is the reason why you are born where you are born. You didn't just come to that place. Anywhere you started from, there is a reason for it. It is interwoven with your destiny. It is interwoven with your destination. It is interwoven with why you are here, the purpose why you are here. So any reason that made you to be here is the same reason that also is trying to allow you to pay attention to your root, to where you are actually coming from. So we are talking about root. Root is where you come from. Where you come from, where you manifested, where your journey began. Your journey here, where it began. Because it is where it begins that will determine where and how it will end. And that is why it is important for us to talk about our roots. There is no root that has no importance to the fulfillment of your purpose. Every root is interwoven with your destiny. You must understand that. And your identity is not complete until you know where you are coming from. A man that says it's in the past, yes, of course it is in the past, but it is part of your future. You cannot have a good and a perfectly defined future when the past is missing, because the past is your history, yes. It's history. It is behind. But it is the foundation of what holds the present, and it is the foundation of what will hold the future. That is the past, because the future is automatically anchored in the past. And that is why, as a people, we need to understand who we are. That means the totality of our identity, and it depends on how we are able to define and understand where we are coming from, how we are able to define and understand where we are at the moment, how we are able to understand and also define where we are going to. We have a destination. We are going to somewhere. And for whatever reason and whatever purpose to attach to where we are going to, it is because we started from somewhere. And wherever we must have started is our foundation. And we need to know our root. Many of us today are confused because we can't really trace our root, our origin, where we come from, who we are as a people, who we are as a breed, who we are as a race. I understand there are so many confusions going out there, especially to most people who cannot trace their origin, who does not understand where their ancestors come from, where the lineage of their life began. And we know that initially there was only just one color before the confusion began. Before the confusion began. And it is this confusion that gave birth to Babylonian life and Babylonian acceptances. We've seen, we know that everything living as human today started from Africa and then migrated to all the other areas of the world. And we know who these people are. So in the series that we have, in this series that is coming up, we will be talking about the roots of the human race. The roots. How we came to be, who we are, and our purpose here on earth, because we have a purpose. Man has a purpose. There is a reason why man is here, and there is a purpose for that thing to be fulfilled. There is a purpose, there is a reason, and we need to understand it, and that is why to understand and define our root is important. So walk with me as I take you through the roots. We will be having a series of discussion on roots, and I believe that on the unfolding of events, you will be able to also pick and nail your own root, where you actually, how your own line came to be, how you come into the scene, and what you need to expect, for the future. Because if you understand your root, you'll be able to understand your destiny. So I'm going to be taking you on series of programs called The Root.